Welcome to this video tutorial on using the Milo app to submit expense claims for commuting. The Milo app is a great tool for submitting expense claims. In this tutorial, we will show you how to do so in a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the Milo app. Open the Milo app on your mobile device and click Transactions into bottom menu bar. Step 2. Submit a new expense claim. Click the Expense Claims tab and click the plus button to submit a new expense claim. Step 3. Fill in the details of the expense claim. On the first screen, you can select your mode of transport from the list of options. Click the Next button to continue. On the second screen, you will have to classify the expense claim. You can choose between commute or business. Step 4. Fill in the addresses. You can enter the departure address in the designated field. Your home address will be pre-filled. Then, fill in the arrival address. You can fill in the address manually or pick an address from your recent searches. You can also indicate whether it is a round trip or a single trip using the toggle. Once filled in, click the Next button to continue. Step 5. Fill in the date or dates. On this screen, you can select a single date or multiple dates. To select a date, click on the date on the calendar. If you are registering multiple dates, you can select each date by clicking on it. After selecting the dates, click the Next button to continue. Step 6. Fill in a comment. Fill in your reason for the expense claim in the designated field and click the Next button to continue. Step 7. Review the summary. You will now get to see a summary of your expense claim. Review the summary of your expense claim, and if everything is correct, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message. Step 8. Approval. Depending on the business rules set up for your company, manager approval for this expense claim might be requested. If so, your manager will receive a notification that an expense claim has been submitted and will review it for approval. You will be notified of the status of your claim. That's it. You have now successfully submitted an expense claim. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask our customer support team via servicedesk@cmo.com or 0900 1980. Thank you for watching.